Oh, yo guys, how's it going? I'm back. Sorry guys, I was talking to myself then. Yeah. So this is the range we're in, guys. I'm gonna remove everything and do it all again for you. Yeah, all good. Are we all good now? Guys, we all good now? Let me know. Hey, how's it going, guys? Yeah. Hi, how's it going? Welcome, guys. Oh, we're gonna get a win today. I feel it. Don't worry. So the the result yesterday, we did take a little L, but we're still 82% strike rate on stream, guys. No, not a lot of people have 82% strike rate. So just trust the process for sure. Beautiful long in London. Yeah, there were. There was a beautiful long in London here. This was the long play. Ran over 200 ticks, So, um, that was the long play. You could have had your stops there. And it pushed up, but that is to the plan. I will currently leaving. Hi Callum, how's it going, bro? Messer, how's it going? Dan, King Arthur, Bando, welcome everyone. We'll break the charts down. I think we can get some pullback shorts, guys, on gold, because look at how the 4 hours formed. We haven't created a bottom wick, so I think we can come and take that as targets. So let's just have a look. We might have to just stick onto the 5 minute. So this is what I'm looking for on gold, guys, okay? Look how gold's starting to form. Gold has taken liquidity here, and we've got a big level here of support and resistance, okay? If we can close below here, these levels at 25.23, I'm going to look to short down into all this liquidity here, okay? So we've got a nice little range to play now. In terms of longs, guys, until we start breaking back above, this resistance here, I'm not looking to long. Just because it's so overbought, like everyone said. We're at all-time highs, so we need to wait for them shorts. But yeah, guys, welcome. Like I say, shoot the likes up, please. Like I say, if you can, shoot us a like. I appreciate it. 14 people in here. Let's try and get 10 likes again, guys. Don't look to buy gold yet, guys, because look at this triple bottom here. This needs to get taken shortly. But yeah, let's try and find this short trade today. Hourly's bullish, but we have a lot of hourly lows to take, so I'm interested in shorts now. Right, so let's see the range. Clearest range for me is here to, you've got here and here now for the range. Okay, breaks below, we can look for shorts. Break above, I'm not really too interested, but we can have a look. Daily, guys, very, very bullish. The daily's very bullish, but I do think we're going to get a little pullback on gold, and that's what I'm going to look to trade into, Look at all these 15-minute lows that need taking, 30-minute lows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 30-minute lows here that need taking, guys. So if we can get a nice closure back down below here, then yeah, I'm going to look to take this short down. Bang. Because all this is just liquidity, guys. All this is just liquidity here. So let's just say, we'll just put this here for now, this shaded area. Delete that. And we are just going to leave this as target, because I think this is going to get smashed soon. And we can see price down into here, okay? Welcome, guys. How's everyone doing? 7 likes. Welcome. If anyone's got any questions, guys, or want me to break the market down at all, let me know. I can break down this morning's long position. If anyone's got any questions, let me know. Dun, 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 dun. So guys, who's traded today? Let me know. Who's traded? I'm looking to go. We can long, guys. We can long above 25.25. But just look how the resistance is played. You know, you got resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. If we get below this support, you can short down. It's as simple as that. Like I say, if anyone's got any questions, I'll answer them. Saf, how's it going? Just joined. What am I looking for? Saf, I am looking for shorts on the 5-minute time frame, okay? I'm not looking at anything bigger because look at the 15. 15 has a decent level of structure, but the 30 is a bit messy. Owl is a bit messy. So I'm just going to stick to the 5, and I'm going to wait for a closure below 25.24 here. And then I can go short down into these lows. So the overall targets for me, guys, are these lows here. Okay. Okay. So yeah. Welcome, Lewis. How are you doing, bro? Hope you're well. Hope you're good, Lewis. Welcome back. Welcome back again, should I say? But don't be drawn into longs just yet, guys. It looks good, but don't be drawn into longs just yet. Look at these 3 equal lows. These 5 minute equal lows. These will get smashed, and then you'll continue down. I like the rave music. Yeah, it's good, bro. Me too. It's a bit of house. Background house music, it is. It's the only one that isn't bloody copyrighted. Everything else is copyrighted. Nine likes, guys. Beautiful. Cheers, guys. I mean, guys, a lot of people now will be going long here. Stops here. At this, looking to push it up. So we know that this could potentially happen now and take these lows. So don't trade now because it's just very retail. A lot of retail traders now, guys, are in long here with the stops on these lows, but we know this is all liquidity. So what's going to happen now is that these lows could potentially get taken. And look what's happening now. They're in drawdown. They see this big green candle here and they go, oh, get me in. We know that that's not the case. Okay. However, if we get back above this level, then yeah, we can have a look. But for me right now, I'm looking to stay below this. Okay. Come on, guys, we're at 9 likes. Let's get one more. This 15 could flip higher for sure, but it's not clean just yet. Not clean enough for me yet. Ten likes. Nice one, guys. I appreciate you all. So quickly as well. Nice one. Yeah, this could get choppy within here, so let's just wait. I think above here, then we can just look to trail a stop on buys. There's no clear targets on gold longs just yet. I'd prefer the shorts below here. Beautiful, guys. Right, 15-minute could flip higher because we have just taken liquidity here to the left. Be aware of that. We have just taken liquidity to the left, so if this closes above, then yeah, we can look to go long. I am aware that we are at all-time highs, though. Like I say, guys, let's have a look what's everyone saying. Naeem, that's where I went in. How are you? I'm good, thank you, Naeem. How are you, bro? Too much liquidity, need a correction. Yeah, exactly. Do you think news will grab liquidity? Potentially. What news could do, if news can come down, you know, if news can come down and take this liquidity here. Let me just delete these shaded areas because I don't want to keep it too messy. So if gold on news can come down, grab this liquidity here, close strongly back above this support and resistance level, then yeah, we can long into these highs, okay? Simple as that. And then you've got a decent range. But the only reason why we can't long just yet is because we haven't taken any liquidity like this. Look, we've got a triple bottom here on the 5 minute and we've got a double bottom here on the 5. So gold realistically needs to come down and take this liquidity before you go long. In terms of shorts, we have taken liquidity. We've taken this liquidity here to the left. We've taken this liquidity here to the left, okay? So if we do close now below 25.23, we can then look to short. But I do think gold's going to get trapped in this sort of box range here, you know, from here to here. Until, you know, we do break out. But we have got news at 1:30, but it's only Canadian news, guys. It's not US or pound, so... 1:30, Naeem, bro. Yeah, I don't think it'll do much, though. I don't think it'll do much. It's only CAD news. It is CAD red news, but CPI. It might move a little bit, but we'll see. But yeah, I'm interested in shorts for sure. Let's have a look what other people are saying. News in 10, yeah, news in 10, guys. Gold ready for a dump, I think, on news. You know, come up, tech highs to the left, and then we can... Sorry, one sec, guys. Come up, tech highs, and then push down into this liquidity and into this liquidity. But I hope we create a little range before then that we can trade off. That'll be good. USD crude oil, one sec. What day is it? 25th August. Crude oil, one sec. Today, 20th of August. No, Lewis, Medlike. No, mine's showing CAD news, CPI. No USD news. There is USD orange, yellow, but that's it. Lewis, have you made 90 yet? No, I haven't. I've made like 700, Lewis, since starting. Since starting the challenge, I've made like 700. In like 8-9 days or something. But I've got like, the only problem is like yesterday I took a trade and they only took it on my top step accounts because I didn't have time to put it on anything else. So that's the only problem I've got right now. Because I do want to trade my top step accounts, my funded accounts that I've got. So I just trade it when I can, guys. Like maybe like 30, 15 minute entries. See how we're breaking above this support now? Resistance now acting as support. Now we've just taken this liquidity here now. Yeah, tomorrow. I've already checked tomorrow's news and it were USD. I didn't check the actual news release though. Yeah, crude oil tomorrow, bro. Right, guys, let's see if we can get some pullbacks on gold. I do think we're going to pull back. Maybe some 5-minute pullbacks. Let's have a look at this. Just taking these highs. Let's see how this 5-minute closes. But it is news in 8 minutes, remember. I do think news is going to come and take these lows here. Okay. I think these lows will get taken in news. You know, if this closes bearish, then yeah, I think we're going to come and take these two lows. If it doesn't, we can trade it into that. Does anyone want any questions at all, guys? Let me know. Put it in the chat if anyone does. I'm $900 away from passing my funded account. Good stuff, Naeem, bro. Great stuff, mate. $20 ticks on that candle. Yeah, it's a couple of minutes, Moe. I wouldn't recommend trading news, mate. Don't even bother. I'd recommend you stay away, bro. Best day percentage total 35%. Good, 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 good. Keep it under that. Keep it under that 50%, Naeem. Definitely keep it under that 50%. Well done, bro. Like I say, you can just take your time now with that. You can take your time, maybe 1 or 2 weeks to pass that. You're fine. But I think gold on news, guys, is going to take this and this. But like I say, it's not high impact, so it might not. So I'm not really too bothered. 5 minutes till news anyway. This closes bearish, guys, below some levels, then yeah, we can short. Okay, news is out, guys. Well, it's only, don't be too alarmed. It's not red news. It's just a low impact news, but all good. Once you passes the restriction on how much profit you can make before withdrawing, you know, you just have to trade for 2 weeks, Naeem. Trade for 2 weeks, bro, and obviously you've got the 50% consistency, so just make nice little profits. Nice steady profits, mate. Okay? Don't make like 4k and then nothing. Like, just make like 200-300 a day over like 2 weeks, and you can withdraw a nice 3,000 or 4,000. Okay? But other than that, there's no restrictions, mate. You still got the percentage thing, though. The consistency, I think. Cheers for the subscribers, guys. Guys, if you are new, get us to 100 subscribers. I need 7 more. So if you are new and you haven't subscribed, yeah, please drop us a subscribe. I do appreciate it. We need 7 more, and I've just had a new one then, so. But yeah, you've got that freedom, Naeem, just to take your time. Like, just drop down to 1 contract, bro. Take the trades to just drop down to 1 contract when you pass. All good. That's all I do anyway. On when I've passed my accounts, I just drop down to 1 contract and trade like 2 accounts. Overall, it's like 2 contracts, or if you have 3 accounts, 3 contracts over 3 accounts, and you know, you make $1,000, $2,000 a month on 1 account. It's like 5,000 or 6,000 over 3. So news is out in 2 minutes, guys. Let's see what we do. If we can close bearish after taking this liquidity, I'll take shorts into these lows. You know, but I want to close back below here. I will put this level in now because this is the range I want to close below. If we get back below here, then yeah, we can look for shorts, maybe. Yeah, it's not on gold, mate. You won't really see much. If you do, I'll be very surprised. Nah. When someone said there's news, I was surprised because I already checked the news and I already knew there were nothing that were going to affect our trading today. I always check the news in the morning. Or even like the day before sometimes. If we can get back below this resistance here, guys, you know, resistance. If we can get back below here, I'll short into these lows. I half risk, by the way, because it is within the range. 12 likes, guys. I appreciate it. Thank you, everyone. This is great. Right, 5 minutes until... Well, 28 seconds. Sorry, 5 minutes. When we see this 5-minute close, it'll be the 30 close as well. That's what we're going to say. But we've got like 20 seconds until this 5 closes. But I am going to look for shorts, guys, if we can close back below this level. Because look at all these equal lows we need to take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-minute lows here. Okay, so guys, we've just opened this new 30-minute. If this new 30-minute this new 5-minute can close below here, then we can short. Okay, we're clear to short. You know, we have got a little bit of support and resistance here too. I'm not too concerned about that. I think we are going to continue down. But this 5-minute did close nice. Look at this 5-minute here. Respecting, you know. I don't want to make it too messy. I'm just going to have a couple of levels on for now. But yeah, if we can get back below, say, here, guys, I'm going to look to short. The Flying Fellow, can you explain what the contracts are and how they work? New here, so don't understand it fully. So contracts is just futures. So lot sizes is a when you're trading forex. So if you trade forex on like MT5, MT4, you'll use a lot sizes. But when you trade in futures, it's different. It's contracts. So instead of trading one contract, instead of trading one lot or 0.5 lots, you trade 1 to 2 contracts. So yeah, when you're trading futures, it's just a contract instead of a lot size. It's just a different contract. But yeah, I think futures, trading contracts on futures is way better. There's no real spread. There's no not high fees or anything, and yeah, you've got next to nothing spread. It's like wherever you enter, you get in. You know. But if we can get back below 20, this level here, guys, I want to make sure I enter it below here. Okay, I want to involve this little bit of structure to the left here. No worries, mate. No worries, the Flying Fellow. Guys, if you are new to the stream and you want the daily stream update, go to the description in the YouTube channel, guys, and join the free Telegram. Join the free Telegram, okay? It's the second link. Join the free Telegram, and every day I put the link in for the YouTube. So anyone's welcome to join there, guys. It's got over like 233. Can I put 2 contracts on Joe's subscribe account? Yes, Skate. How's it going, bro? You well? Hope you well, Skate, mate. But yeah, I'm going to look to target in a minute, guys. This liquidity here. You've got so much liquidity to take. I just want to get back below here. Get back below here, I can short, okay? Subscriber count, what we at? Let me just double check. We are at 93. So we need 7 more to get 100, guys. Yeah, if we can get back below 25, then yeah, I'll short. Anyone got any questions, guys? Skates here. We've got some new guys. Flying fellow. Nice one to sign. Nice to see you guys. Right, we've got through 30 seconds till this 5 closes. Right, 5 minutes not to close bearish now. So let's see how this 5 closes and if we can get a top wick to short down. Yeah, I've just taken this liquidity too, which is good. I need a nice close below here though. You know. We've just gapped up. Just making myself aware of that. Go on, goal. Push up for us, mate. Push up for us. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, I've noticed that too, Skate. It never used to gap, but like even here, look, gapped a little bit. Even today, it's gapped. It's stupid. It never were like this. Wanda used to be well good, but now, nah. Wow, look at that. If we had a top wick there, guys, I'd have been in short all day. But there was just no entry. If it pushed up a little bit more to say here, I'd have been in short. Anyone in the community would have known that I was looking for a top wick here to go short. No. Mezza, I'm not. I was looking at a top wick, maybe to like here, and then I would have shorted, but there just were none. I'm looking, I think we'll come and take this liquidity soon though. And we are taking it. Simple. Let's wait for this 5 to close now. Yeah, it can skate. You're 100% right, mate. And look at this. The top wick on here was like not even 2 ticks. You know, we've moved 20, but weren't worth it. This is annoying though. I think this 15 is going to come down a bit further. Let's have a look at this 5. Maybe we can enter 5-minute shorts in a minute. Give it 2 minutes till we close. Top wick and then we can short down. Depending on how we close. I want to close bearish below this liquidity here. Yeah, thank you. Cheers, Skate. I appreciate it, mate. Nice one. Yeah, like I say, we were looking for this. We got this liquidity grab. We had closure below here. I wanted this short, but it just didn't give us the top wick to enter. You know, from the actual place where I was going to enter, we've moved, what, like 40 ticks? So if we can close bearish below, respecting 25, 23 here, guys. If we close below on the 5, say here, we can just take the bottom wick of the next 5 if we do push up first, okay? And then I just enter into here. I'll be looking to target here. Okay? Here and here. So this and this is the target. I need a bearish close. Push down a little bit more gold. Go on. You can. You're allowed to. Let me just get my top step accounts up. Right. I think this could be the pullback that we need. 5 minutes. First targets will be here, by the way. So I just want to see if we can get that top wick first. Alright. Decent. What's the... I want it to top wick into maybe here. You know, decent top wick into here, then I can short the push down. Right, guys, I'm going to put this in now. I'm putting a sell stop in on the 5-minute low here. Okay. Just a half risk, guys. A half risk. Okay, and I'm going to look to see if we can take it into these lows here. So we've only got a little tight stop loss on this. So first targets for me will be the last 5-minute low here. Okay. I'm going to look to see if we can push this down further. You know, the 15-minute will be closing as well, so that could be a nice bearish close that we need. But yeah, that's in. Just maybe just a little bit below it. Alright, guys, let's see if we can push this down. Alright, guys, we're getting a nice little push. Alright, guys, I'm going to go break even now. I'm going to go break even now, guys. See if it'll push down. Ah, I'm out. Pushed. What did it push? 6 ticks. If you're still in, guys, you can stay in. It's still valid for now. I am out at break even. If you're still in, guys, and it goes to break even, you can get out. But it is still valid for now. The only reason I went break even, guys, is because it went so close to this liquidity. You know, 7 ticks. But if you're still in it, you're still in it. Can you say the numbers so where you're going into? Yeah, I can do in future, mate. I will. Like I say, trading the 5-minute, guys, it's going to be hard for you to get in on these trades. Like I say, I don't want you to take these positions if you don't know what you're doing. Because if you don't know what you're doing and you don't know the strategy, you're not going to be able to go break even when I do. Like, you can enter on the flip of candles with me. But just know that the 5-minute is very quick time frame. Took 11 ticks stop. Yeah, like I say, I only went break even because we went into a little bit of a structure here. You know, there's a structure level here. Really? Are you funded with Top Step Skate? Is it on a funded Top Step? Because I found that the fundeds are worse fills, you know? Break even, guys. If you did take a 8 tick stop loss, guys, on this, like, it's only 8 ticks at half risk as well, because you are in the bigger range. Don't worry about it. We can still look for more positions. XFA, yeah, nice. Good stuff, Skate. Very good, mate. Did you trade half risk there, bro? On micros? Skate's a beast. Skate is a beast. I'll tell you what though, if we can close strong, I'm gonna look to go long again. But yeah, break even on there for me, guys. The only reason I went break even, guys, is because look at this big level here. Resistance, support, resistance, support. Why could it not act as support again? And it did. It's the only reason I did, guys. And that's why I took break even. Yeah, 5 micros, perfect. I did the same. Skate, I did the same. We're in this bigger range. Within the range, guys, know that within the range, you need to trade half risk, yeah? Okay, half risk. And that's what I did here. 5 micros across 3 accounts. And I took the swap break even, so it is what it is. We can reanalyze this in a minute, guys. One sec, I just need to add break even onto my stream record. 4 break evens now. Let me just... Yeah, the 15. Guys, like I say, if you're wanting to actually get the live, this is 20-second delayed on YouTube, and I can't help that. I really can't help that. The only way you can get the live positions if you join the community and join the Zooms that I'm going to start doing with everyone. That's the only way you can do it. Because community members are going to get Zoom links as well soon. So they can join the live through a Zoom instead of YouTube. So they get the up-to-date live. Me taking the position live. Could go long, end in 5 minutes. Let me just redo my levels really quick, Naeem. So for me now on gold, I'm not shorting until we get back below this level. Because this is a big level of support and resistance. And for longs, guys, back above here. We could actually look for longs soon. But yeah, guys, if you don't know what you're doing and you don't know how to trade the strategy and the plan, don't be taking the positions, please. I do say that in the description as well. Maybe 15-minute entries and 30-minute entries, but it's impossible when you're a 20-second delay on a 5-minute entry. It's impossible. And I can't do anything about that. It's YouTube that 20-second delays everything. But for example, some 30 and 15-minute entries, you can definitely get on them because you've got time to, you know? I hope you all understand that. Yeah, guys, the only reason I did go break even is because I saw the rejection from this level here, you know, resistance, support, now acting as support again. I thought if price is going to reverse, it's going to be after touching this level. So that's the only reason I went. If you don't understand that, like I say, you shouldn't be trading until you understand the full strategy. You know, because like I say, you can join the live streams and you can get 82% strike rate like I have done, but you need to make sure that you know what you're doing, like 20 seconds in advance of me. Which is possible. You can just watch the live streams and learn, guys. You know, that's the free value you get for like an hour, 2 hours a day. Yeah, if we get back above here, guys, I'm going to long, for sure. For sure. But like I said, that 5-minute entry was beautiful. You know, we had the liquidity grab, break back below many levels. It was just a shame that we did get break even, but we did move a decent, what, 9 ticks? Good management anyway. Let me put on the thing, break even trade. break even, gold sells. Bang. Okay, gold break even sells. Right, 30-minute. Wow, look at this 30-minute, guys. Dun, dun. Right, 5-minute close is bullish now, guys. I'm going to look to take this higher, but I want a nice close. I don't want it to reject too much. Downwards wick. We've got 15 ticks potentially. 15 is liquidated. Laws. What's Naeem? What's that Naeem? Let me see. Just need to refresh. Hey, when there's no movement. Could go long on the next 5. Yeah, you could. I'm just going to wait to see how we close. Yeah, the 15 skate is looking good, but you could definitely still flip and create a wick fill this. So you need to be aware of that. There's still liquidity to take here. A lot of people are jumping in longs though now, and that's the problem. But I do think this will get taken before we do push further down. The 30 minutes looking juicy. Look at the 30 minute. 30 minute took this double bottom. Now we're closing back above levels. You know, you've even got a level here we're closing above. So let's see. 30's got 10 minutes left. I think it's going to be too late to take it. If this 5-minute took this low here to the left, as well as this, then yeah, I'd be long all day. See, the only problem is that we haven't taken this low here, look. So close to it. What's that move into there? 10 ticks? It's not even worth it. Not worth it yet. What, that's first targets at 10 ticks? It's pointless. But I do think if this high gets broken, we're going to go long into that liquidity now. But the only problem is that you're coming into even minor resistance. It's just hard with gold being at all-time highs, you know? And there's no liquidity that got taken on the 5-minute apart from here. We have got liquidity go on the 30, but just not on the 5. You know, you got 1, 2, 3 5-minute lows that got taken. That haven't been taken, sorry. Yeah, this should push into there now, but the only problem is you've got this bit of structure here that could make a problem for gold. Gold's bound to be like this, guys, especially when you reaching all-time highs. You need to be careful. It never moves how cleanly it should do at all-time highs. You know, it's a lot of rejection and manipulation. Look at this. It's just a huge range, really, on the 5-minute. 15. The 30 looks really clean for longs. The 30 looks really clean for longs. But yeah, that 5's going to push now. You know, if you re-break this 5-minute high now, you're going to go into this liquidity. If we get some confirmation on the 5-minute now, we can long. But I think that 30 is going to take liquidity now. Yeah, just taking it. That's annoying. Goldie. Yeah, Skate's right, 4 hour open. I always look at the 4 hour open. Problem is as well, Skate, look, we've got no bottom wick on the 4 hourly. Meaning that there's no range down here, so there's a lot of liquidity sitting here. And there is still loads of liquidity here, guys, look. Bang, 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 look at this. Oh, that's liquidity. Let's see what this 4 hour, 30-minute close is like, and the hourly. It's the hourly as well, remember, guys. We could see continuations, but no clear targets, so it's just buying into nothing. We could play an hourly wick fill before the rejection, which could be nice. So if we can close bullish, guys, if we can close bullish with a wick, we can use this as first targets, okay? And then we can just see how long it'll play. That's what I'm gonna do. So the plan is now is if we close above 25.25 here, close above this level, we have a decent target with the wick fill. We can then play the long on the next candle, thinking that price is going to push down a bit and then flip, getting us involved, and this is what we see, okay? This is what we hope the candle looks like. The next hourly candle, and then whatever it does from there is nothing to do with us. So let's watch this hourly close. Let's watch this hourly close closely. We've got 4 minutes left. Because look what the hourly's done as well, guys. Hourly took last low liquidity, so there's no real reason why price should come down and take these lows yet, unless you get a close on the hourly through this level. Once you get a close through the level on the hourly, then you've got clearance down into these lows, okay? But we're above here, and I think a decent first target is last hourly highs, or the hourly that it's got, and we've got like 15 ticks into there. So if we get a nice bottom wick first, then we can buy the flip into it. And I don't know where my stop loss will be, but we'll see. But my idea is that price is going to push down a little bit, create a bottom wick, and then push up, getting us involved. You know, we're in on the bottom wick, and we've got a decent push higher on gold to continue the overall trend. Okay. But yeah, this is just an hourly trade, guys. So you'll have time to get in on it if you want. But like I say, no financial advice at all. Let's see, we've got 3 minutes until this close. Let's wait. So guys, 2.5 minutes. If anyone's got any questions at all, get them in. Like I say, open discussion, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna see. This will be first targets here, guys. This is first targets. I need a bottom weight. We enter, flip into these highs, then done and dusted. You know, and then you can just leave the runner running where it needs to be. But this is just hourly wick fill based on the overall liquidity and direction, so it should be a decent trade. I'm just gonna get some water, guys. Back in a second. Give us 2 minutes. The only thing that we need to see, guys, is the hour close above the prior hour, because we don't want it to be a grab. So we need to close above, and we're not doing right now. We need to close above. Alright, Owlie's pushed down instantly. We have wicked this low, but can we take Owlie flip shit? I don't want to just do it yet, because 4 Owlie has just opened as well, and it's going to be a 4 hour wick fill. Okay, we have taken that. I might take Owlie flips in a second into them highs at half risk, guys. Just weighing it up. What would that? The only reason is I don't want to take it too early, because it's the first 5 minute of the hourly. What would that be? Right, let's have a look if we can push. Not jumping in anything just yet, guys. Because the 4 hour just has opened as well, so the 4 hour wick fill could be nice as well. Just trying to think, guys, what the best play is for us here, because I am aware that we have just opened on the 5 and 15-2 and the 4 and hourly, so you need to just take care with this. I mean, you can take half risk buys here. It's just that we have got the other opens, which I don't like to take the first 5 minutes of the 4 hours, so we just need to wait for this 5 minute to close. If this 5 minute close is bearish, then yeah, we can. Bullish, then we can. It's got like a minute left. But this H4 should wick fill the prior. A minute to go anyway. Let's see. Yeah, you got to deal with all the problem you've got now, guys. You got to deal with the H4 open, the H1 open, and like the 15:30. So you've got to be careful and wait for these, like at least the first 5 minutes to close. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to think what the best place to do. You could take 1 hour flips now. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to put a buy on the 1 hour flip. Stops will be below on the low of it. It will be, the entry will be for me on the actual break of the high. Stops will be on the low, looking to go into wick fill on the 4 hour. Okay, so that'll be the trade before our wick fills. So I've actually got a buy stopping now on the break of the 4 hourly high. Okay. So that 4 hour close is pushing down a bit. Let me just take this off. See if this 4 hour will push higher. 5 minutes coming back into this level here. Owl is not flipping just yet, guys. Wait. Four Owl is straight back down. Yeah, potentially, but the 4 hourly claw's bullish. The hourly claw's bullish. So I'm just going to keep my eye on it to see if we are going to continue bullish. But we'll see. Potentially though, Darren, it could be the start of the correction for sure, but it could also just be the bottom wick on the 4 hourly to push higher, you know, into these highs. Also possible. I'll wait for this next 5 minutes to close, guys, and if nothing happens on this, because this could flip up still. Like I say, you could still have a buy stop on there, guys. You could have a buy stop on the high, but your stop loss is just too big for me now. It's like a 40, 50 tick stop loss. It's no good. And it's just in a range as well, gold on the 15. It's just in a range. Might leave it, you know. I think I am going to leave it, guys. It's not for me to just sit here in this range. So what I am going to do, I have been live for 1 hour and 15 now. So what I am going to do, guys, is anybody in the community, you'll get updated. But what I'm going to look for the people not in the community is I'm going to wait for this range to close. Okay, we're in this sort of range on gold now. If we can close below, say, this range low here. If we can close below here, then yeah, you can start looking for shorts, guys. But other than that, it's just in a big range, so I would be careful. You know, look at this big 15, 30-minute range on gold. But for me, the good targets for longs, guys, is the 4-hour wick fill, okay? So if you are interested in longs, look for the 4-hour to be wick filled. And it looks like we could do it very soon. But not looking to short until we get back below, say, these rejections here. 25, 23. And you can look to long now still, guys, because of the H1 clause. You can look to long, but make sure you do start staying above some of these levels, okay? You know, you've got resistance support, so make sure you do stay above these levels. But yeah, that's going to be me for the day, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow for some more free live trading on gold. But yeah, that's what I'm going to look for. Four hour looks bearish. No, 4 hours is bullish for me. But I do think this 4 hours is going to get wick filled. But I would have had the buy stop on the break of the high, but it's just not flipping. You too, Naeem. I hope you smash the challenge, bro. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. 1 PM again tomorrow. I'll see you all tomorrow, guys. I do 1 hour and a half a day for free. So just come, sit down for free, and take the free education, guys. You know. But yeah, you can. I'd look for, guys. Anybody look to go long. What I'm looking to do now, guys, is I'm looking to go long into this 4 hour wick fill here, okay? So yeah, look to go long into that 4 hour wick fill. And I think we're going to go and tech it soon. So I'll see you all, guys. I hope everyone has a good day. Thanks for coming along. And I will see you tomorrow.